Okay, so I'm going to show you how to make custom ringtones for your iPhone Edge or iPhone 3G and using iTunes, and your phone doesn't have to be jailbroken for this, I think. So, okay, pick a song you want. I got one already. Right here, Two of America's Most Wanted. Right click it. Go to Get Info. Next, click on the Option tab. Make sure both these are check marked, and make sure you edit. And this part right here is how long you want it to start. It should be 00000 and whatever the length of the song is. Mine's already edited to when I want it to start. As you can, I want it to start at 6 seconds, .995 milliseconds. And I want it to end at 36 seconds. The length of a ringtone should be 29 seconds because that works the best. So this is 29 seconds. Just to be safe, I'll put it at 35. I think that's 28 seconds. Once you edit that part, remember 29 seconds the length of your ringtone should be. You press OK. Then you go back to that same song, right click it again, and go to create AAC version. And then you should see it right here, it's converting. Then you hear that sound. And then you'll see right here, right underneath it, there'll be a second copy. 28 seconds. Right click it again. Or right click the one you just made. The 28-second one. You right click this one. Go to Show in Windows Explorer. And it'll be right here. And I'm just gonna edit the name of the song. And as you can see right here, the extension, the audio format is M4A. So you want to change that to M4R. If you can't see the extension, you go to Tools, Folder Option, View, and make sure this one right here is unchecked, like that. Make sure it looks like this. After that, you press Apply, then OK. Then it should be right here. Then you edit the M4A part, which you delete the A and put in R. So it should now say M4R. Press Enter. It'll give you a warning. You say yes. Don't worry about that warning. Then you grab the file, drag it to library. Then you should have a ringtone section up here. I already have one because obviously I have ringtones. You click on it. These are all my ringtones that I've made. And it's right over here. No, right here. Sorry, this one I gotta delete, sorry. Alright, so it's right here. Two America's Most Wanted, 28 seconds long. Click on your iPhone. Go to ringtone, ringtone section. Make sure it's check marked. Sync it. As you can see, iPhone is being synced. And ignore this. This is because of my iPhone. This shouldn't appear on yours. So just ignore those. Then, what you're gonna do You're gonna go to your iPhone. Go to settings.
We were disappointed with that game, and again, we're disappointed with Golden Axe Spider. It's a good-looking game, and I think there's some.
What you're gonna do? Then you're gonna go to sounds, ringtones. You have a whole new section called custom ringtones, and as you can see, Two of America's Most Wanted is right at the top. And as you can hear it. And there you go. Those are your custom ringtones. Well, these are mine. You'll be able to get yours the same way. And as you can see, these are all mine. I'll just show you them. Those are all mine. And thanks for watching. Please rate and subscribe.